Hello everyone, welcome to Theta Capitals YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be telling you how I made 8 lakh plus profits with just 80,000 of investment in a span of 9 months. So let's begin. First of all, I'll show you the gross P&L which I have made from 3rd July, the 1st of July 2023 till 31st of March 2024. So in total, I have made 8.47 lakhs in a span of 9 months. So I'll also show you the net profit after deducting all the brokerage and taxes. So we'll quickly move on to the broker platform. So I traded in AC Agrawal and IIFL. So first of all, I'll show you the net profit of AC Agrawal account. So I've selected the period from 1st of July till 31st of March. I'll click on the show button and we have got the result. So I'll scroll down to the bottom. And you can see that I have made 5.69 lakh after deducting all the brokerage and taxes in AC Agrawal, and in IIFL also I'll do the same. So we'll scroll to the last page. So here you can see that I have made approximately 2.09 lakh. So if we include both the net profits, so I have got the result of 7.78 lakhs, which means I have got approximately 7.8 lakhs out of 8.5 lakhs as my net profit in a span of 9 months with just 80,000 of investment. So I'll show you the results of the basket which I traded. So I traded option buying in the span of 9 months in the last 6 months, and initially I was trading this 19,000 capital basket which has 6 strategies. I'll show you the results of that basket. So there were 6 strategies in total, and these 6 strategies will run every day, and it has an average monthly ROI of 70% and it has a maximum drawdown of 76%. I'll tell you what drawdown is later. I traded this basket till February 2023, and then I created a new basket which consisted of 11 strategies. Since I was deploying large capital towards option buying, hence I needed more number of strategies which will help me in providing better diversification. So that's why I created this basket, and it has a better results. Obviously, it has an average monthly ROI of 89% and it has a maximum drawdown of 89% as well. So as you can see that the estimated capital required to run this basket is 30,000. But since we see that the maximum drawdown is 89%, that's why it is recommended to trade this with approximately 60 to 75,000 of capital. So there are 4 important aspects which needs to be taken care of while doing option buying. First one is win ratio, the second is drawdown, third is position sizing, and fourth is when to increase the quantity. So I'll quickly move on to the first one, which is win ratio. So as you can see that we have a win ratio of only 41%, which means that 59% of the times we would be losing money. Even though my system has a very less win rate of just 41%, but still we are able to make money, it's because the days when we are losing money is quite less as compared to the days when we are making profits. So as you can see over here that average loss on loss making days is just 2105, and the average profit on winning days is 6360, which means that on an average I would lose only 7% of my capital on loss making days, whereas I would be making 21% on my capital on winning days. We also see that the max loss is approximately 20% of the capital deployed. So now I'll move on to the second point, which is drawdown. So as you can see that the maximum drawdown over here is 89%, which is roughly 27,000 on 30,000 capital. So drawdown essentially means the difference between the peak equity value which you reached and the lowest equity value within a specific period of time. So now moving on to third point, which is position sizing. As I already told you that the maximum drawdown here is 89%. So you would have to keep a capital of approximately 60 to 70,000 at least to run this basket. So now moving on to the last and final point, which is when to increase the quantity. So now I'll show you my cumulative profit and loss graph. So this is my P&L graph. So I'll take an example of this date, which is 30th October. This was my peak equity curve, peak equity value, and then I started making losses. This is called the drawdown period, and then on 28th November I made significant profits. So in this drawdown period, you should be increasing the quantity. This is totally based on your discretion, and this is the approach which should be used to increase the quantity. So now I'll tell you all the details if you wish to subscribe to the option buying basket. So here we have two options. This is the first option, in which the capital required is approximately 50,000. Although the capital required to run this basket is 19,000, but we have a drawdown of 76%. That's why it is recommended to trade this with approximately 50,000 capital. And this is one-time charges which you will need to pay, which is 11,000. And you will get the support till year end. And in this, 6 charges will run every day. And the average monthly ROI is 70%. And in 2023, we have got a massive ROI of approximately 946%. And till March 2024, we have got 145% ROI. And the basket which I am currently trading, this is for those traders who are deploying large amount of money in option buying. This is only for those. Here the capital required is 30,000, and the capital kept in the account should be approximately 75,000. In this, 11 strategies will run every day, which will consist of 10 bank nifty and 1 nifty strategy. And the average monthly ROI is 89%, and the drawdown is 89%. And here also we have got a massive ROI of 928% in 2023. Until 2024, we have got 300% ROI. So if you wish to subscribe to this option buying basket, you can just WhatsApp me on the number mentioned in the screen, or you can click on the link in the YouTube video description. So that's all from my side. You can follow me on Twitter. The username is Theta Capitals, where I post P&L every day. I would request you to please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Goodbye.